Hey you guys, so in today's video, disclaimer, I know my face broke out. That time of the month, y'all. Okay, since I'm on this subject, okay, so females, do y'all get some breakouts on your chin, like these deep ones that they don't have a head or nothing? And they just get like, oh, it's like cystic almost. And yeah, did you go to a dermatologist or did you have some home remedy that you know? I use these a lot. They cure them without, they make them not scarp as bad, but I need them to not come at all. So let me know in the comments down below if you got any cures for these, because these things just be too much. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing another Benefit brow product. I'll leave a playlist. Actually, I think I might make a playlist of Benefit reviews. So I'll leave a playlist of Benefit brow product reviews and what's it called? Brow routines right here. Because I do need to do another one because my brow routine is not the same at all. And I don't know if I'm gonna like this product or not. So we're gonna review it today. I do have a Zoom event tomorrow with Benefit about this product, but I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna be the rebel that makes an opinion right now before the Zoom meeting. I need some moisturizer. I've been loving this one by Laura Mercier. It's the mattifying oil-free moisturizer. And y'all, and the pumps are so small. Like I feel like you can't put too much. But I really need something. My face has been so dry. I have combo skin. So like around my period, I be having dry freaking skin. And around my not period, my skin is so oily. It's so weird. You think it'd be opposite, but it's not. Okay, so today's video, let's get into it. I'm on Benefit Club Pink and we got this pink box, and inside of it is a new micro brow pen, I think. Well, I don't know, don't quote me on that. My allergies are acting up. I'm trying to ignore them, so if you see my eyes swell during this video, know that I got Benadryl on deck and some water in my Lion King cup. I will link where I get these cups below because she bomb at it. Okay, so Benefit Club Pink boxes come like this. I love that these come in wrapped in saran wrap, and that's where your address is and everything on it, and then you get to unwrap the saran wrap and you don't have your address on the box anymore. I love it. We got the product up in here, and then we got the product right here. I'm just happy to be off work, y'all. I came home, I was like, you know what, on my break I come home and I was like, I laid out, I'm gonna do a tutorial after this with some new products that I have not used before, so I am excited. I'm not used to having my hair down in a video. Can you tell? I keep doing that flick thing that I do. Okay, so let's just get into the video. This is their new product. This is the Brow Microfilling Pen from Benefit. I really like these, honestly. I've tried some that I don't like. Not gonna name any names. But they gave me the shade Deep Brown, which I'm kind of scared of because of the fact that I was hoping they would send like at least 2 shades for me to choose from because of the cool tone and the warm tone in my hair. Some brands send me warm tone stuff, some brands send me cool tone stuff, some brands send me gray stuff, some brands send me light stuff. I don't know. I'm neutral. That's what I like. Benefit, you're wanting this, I'm neutral. I like your cool gray brown pencil though. It goes well with my hair. This is cute. It's simple, it's cute. This is the box again. We'll get a close-up of it in a second. Ooh, those look really tiny. Okay, let's do a close-up really quick. Okay, guys, just in case you want to see the packaging, there's the packaging. Benefit's always cute. It has all the details right there on the side of the package, and we're going to be going over that in this video as well. And then we have some examples. And then here is the Brow Microfilling Pen. And then you take it off, and it looks like this. You see those little prongs on the top? That is what we'll be playing with today. You guys are gonna get my first impression of this because I usually do this brow off camera and then come in and show you how I do it. But I'm gonna do this brow on an Instagram video. Follow me on Instagram. It's always right there. Makeup by Caylah. That's me. I do little tutorials and stuff like that. I post photos there. I'm really active on my Instagram story. I'm showing you a whole bunch of like amazing artists. I've been getting into what I eat because I am on keto and I have lost a lot of weight. I will insert a clip here of how big I used to look in videos. Okay. You guys know I don't do foundation first. That was bad, wasn't it? Like I really lost a lot of weight. I lost about 30 pounds. So I haven't been doing well. I'm trying to get back on it. I only lose about 15 more pounds. So enough about that. If you want me to do a video on that, let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see up a look close and personal at this horrendous skin, but I really do want y'all to see how it works. All right, so this is as close as I'm gonna get. Ignore this. I think I'm gonna put a star on it so you guys don't have to stare at it. That was very hard to do in a viewfinder. Okay, now that that's covered up, it's kind of a distraction from the eyebrow, but focus on the eyebrow, okay? Okay, so the claims of this product is 24. Ooh, I might leave this on and film it. I will let you know. Okay, so it claims to be 24-hour microbladed effect, and it has 3 different lengths to mimic natural brow hair. It's clean, controlled, and defines lines. And how many shades are there? There are 4 shades: blonde, light brown, medium brown, and dark brown, and they sent me dark brown. And then, okay, so they actually have application tips and how to use it. Did I say I'm on Benefit Club Pink? I'm on Benefit Club Pink. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, so it's waterproof, smudge proof, easy to apply, and natural looking. So we're gonna see, because I've been wanting that natural brown for a little minute now. Okay, so application tips: apply brow filling pen. Why can't I say that? Apply brow microfilling pen on clean, dry brows. They clean and they dry. I just took a shower. Avoid applying on top of moisturizer. I messed up because it's on top of moisturizer. So we're gonna take some rubbing alcohol. And get that moisturizer off, you know, because I did just apply moisturizer because my skin felt horrendous. My skin was kind of dirty. It's kind of nasty. Don't you hate when you wash your face and you be like, ugh, yeah. And I wash my face for a minute minimum. Okay, so we have clean, dry brows now. Okay, yeah, they're definitely dry because of the alcohol. Okay, next. As they may prevent the ink-like formula to adhering properly to the skin. Okay, that's done. Always hold the pen so the prongs are horizontal to your face. So like this. They're saying like hold it like this, horizontal. With the longest prong closest to your nose. Okay, so the longest prong closest, okay. So like that, okay. We got you, Benefit. This is kind of advanced for me because I don't do this type of stuff. And then, okay, how to use it. So we're gonna get down to this now. I'm so nervous because I think I'm gonna mess this up so bad. And I'm not used to filming this brow on camera. Okay, start at the front of your brow. Gently flick upwards in short strokes following your natural brow shape. This is an awkward position in my, yep, I'm on camera too. Let me focus it. Start from, you see I have a gap right there, so we're gonna see how natural this is. Okay, the horizontal with the, okay, make sure you guys can see. Did first stroke. Okay. Ooh, I see it. Okay. Okay. We see you, Benefit. Horizontal. Dang, that is natural. I'm not used to this, but my brow looking hairy. Ooh, I see y'all. Okay, I'm gonna take my nail and just, because I don't have any hair right there, so it really looks weird at times right there. Okay. Okay. Parallel to my face. No, horizontal to my face. Hold it. Mimic the brow hair direction. Okay, this looks so natural, you guys. Do you see that? That's what I started with. You see how sparse my brows are? Well, they're not really that sparse anymore. Look at the front of my brow. It looks really furry. And that's like, this is like my bad brow because I have all them dog bite scars and everything there. Dang, okay. I just feel like this part isn't gonna get what it deserves. So we're gonna like kind of go like this. Okay, there we go. I'm scared about this part. The tail part, that's the part that scares me because I ain't got one. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Benefit, I was wondering why y'all ain't come out with a brow pen yet. I was like, you know what? I feel like they would make a bomb one. Yeah, I think I was correct. I kind of like my tail more structured, so I think I am going to do a filled in tail because of the fact that my tail is short on this side. So I'm gonna have to fill it in more than this side. So I'm gonna try to mimic hair kind of until is that it? Yes, that's it. Okay. All right. I like that this isn't overly pigmented because some of the ones that I have tried have been extremely pigmented, and I do have to like draw on my tail on this eyebrow. There ain't no going around it. So I'm gonna just draw on my tail on this eyebrow. I do like this ink. I can say I do like the ink. Let me make sure they're okay. That looks so okay. Okay, Benefit, okay. This looks so natural. I need to fill in that. My scar tissue right here does not like to grab any type of product. And for this to be dark brown, it's pretty light. But it's like natural light, like it's a good brow shade. Okay, so I really like this pencil for the wrong brow. I like this pencil for the front of my brow. I can see me using for the front of my brow and then filling the rest in with Cabral or like a Precisely My Brow pencil. But I really am in love with this pen. Like this. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna do the other one off camera and film it for Instagram, and then I'll be right back to give my final thoughts. Okay, guys, it took me like 5 minutes to do this brow. Usually I be messing up. Usually I have to clean up with concealer. I don't feel like I need to clean up with concealer. I'm going to, because I don't like to try to get foundation around them, and you know, but I'm not gonna have to clean them up. I'm just gonna have to frame them with concealer or foundation. I asked my boyfriend what he thought of my eyebrows because he is so in love with my eyebrows, and he said, put the screenshot right here. He said, looks more natural for some reason. I dig it. That is what Benefit was trying to do with his pen. Like, I feel like I could wear these. Like, I feel like I want to do my eyebrows every day. I'm mad that Benefit said come with clean eyebrows because look, these are perfect. These are completely like, I feel like my eyebrows never looked better. Let's FaceTime Kristen so I can show her my eyebrow. She probably ain't gonna answer. How much you wanna bet she ain't gonna answer? Cause she don't ever answer. She better not call me back neither. And she just texted me about her feet cause we did test mask. We did feet mask. Okay, whatever. Don't text me back. Okay, so I give this pen a 10 out of 10, and I am so harsh on brow products. Like, what was the one I did not really like? It wasn't bad, but I was like, really? Like, this was like, just like, why? I think it wasn't the brow styler, was it? The one with the pen. I'll put my review right there. It was that pen one, but I can't remember what it's called. It's the one with the 4 click things. It's like a 90s throwback pen, like a brow, like, I don't know. But this might be my new favorite. We're gonna see. But let me know what videos you want me to make down below. I feel huge right now because I'm on my period and I'm all bloated. Like my whole body's like bloated. But let me know what videos you want to see next and I will do them. Let me know what you want me to review. I will review it. Let me know what makeup looks you want to see, especially for fall because I'm so excited about fall makeup, and I will do it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.